Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern Country Living, where love and life collide. Do what you love.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Georgia, it's a little overcast and cool, and it looks like it wants to rain, so I guess when it makes up its mind, it'll do what it wants to. And today we're making an easy weeknight meal. It's only going to take us about 40 minutes to cook it, and it's a very economical meal. And we're going to have chicken thighs with the bone in, and we're going to be roasting our potatoes and our carrots. And we didn't have the kind of green beans that we thought we had out there in our freezer, but we're going to work with these today. This is what we've got. We're going to use these great value cut green beans, and I think it's going to work out just fine. And then our seasoning on our chicken is smoked paprika and garlic powder, and then I'm going to be using this no salt on my chicken thighs. So let us get started on this easy weeknight meal that's economical and it won't break the bank. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this no salt on my chicken thighs.
Marie, you can go ahead and put that on my thighs too, and we won't have to keep up with them. It'll be fine.
Okay, if that's what you want, Calvin.
Yeah, I need to watch my salt too, so that'll be fine.
All right, I'm just going to put these on one side. I probably would put them on both sides if I wasn't on camera today, but for time and everything, I'm just going to put it on one side. Okay, now then I'm going to put on some pepper. And some paprika. I think I'm going to pour mine out so I don't get too much. I don't know if you can get too much paprika. Okay, now then I'm going to put some garlic powder on it. I hate getting too much of this stuff on it. Sometimes you start pouring and it just gets, the whole thing comes out. Kevin, you want more paprika on it?
That looks good to me.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, I think I'm going to try this better. I like fast and easy meals, and this is a good weeknight fast and easy meal. Okay, Calvin, our next step is cutting the potatoes, and since I still have a little trouble with my wrist, you can come over here and cut them for me.
Okay, I'll be glad to. Okay, Marie, I'll let you put all the seasonings on them after I cut them up for you.
All right.
We're just going to cut them like that. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
Come back here. About to lose them. Let's see, Marie, I'll do this small one here. This may be enough potatoes without doing that last one. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
That's a pretty good bit of potatoes. We're trying to make it where it'll be enough food for 2 meals for 2 people. Okay.
You want to put how much of that you want on it?
A little olive oil. Okay, some pepper. Garlic powder.
You want any paprika?
Yeah. And I'm going to stir.
Okay, you may be braver than me. I've seen people do that and the whole thing just come off.
We've been doing a lot of projects today, haven't we, Marie?
Yes, and we wanted an easy meal tonight, didn't we? We didn't have to stand over the oven.
I think this is going to be perfect. That's probably enough seasoning right there.
Okay.
I tell you what, though, since I'm doing the camera, I'll let you put them in the plate.
All right.
That way I won't get oil on the camera.
Okay. Let's see. Let's try some. Now then, we've got to have some room for our green beans. So let me see how I can work that in. I think what I'm going to do is just put more over here. Okay. Okay, now then I'm going to just put my carrots right down here and save this space right here for my green beans. If you like your carrots sweet, you could put a little brown sugar on them, but I think we're just going to be putting some black pepper. And some of this salt. I'm going to try to do it this way. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the oven and cook it for 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I'll get it out, and then I'm going to add my green beans. All right, I opened up my green beans and rinsed them. And so my sheet pan meal just has a few minutes before I take it out of the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in my bowl. I believe that 1 can is going to be enough, but I'll make some for tomorrow. This is a real easy meal for the elderly to prepare. There's no standing up much. Just put it on your sheet pan and let your oven do the work. Okay, I'm going to put a little more olive oil on here. Whoops. Okay. All right, I think that's enough. And now then I'm going to put some of this no salt on. And a little black pepper. And give this a stir. I believe it could use just a little more black pepper. I have to fill my black pepper shaker up. Okay, and put some garlic powder on it. Get this stirred. Okay, and as soon as my sheet pan meal comes out of the oven, I'm going to put my green beans in. I think some lemon pepper would be good on this.
Okay, you can put lemon pepper on.
Okay. Okay, I also thought some lemon pepper would be good on my green beans, so I'm going to put some of that on. Whoops, that one got away. Okay. And like I said, as soon as my sheet pan meal comes out of the oven from cooking 20 minutes, I'm going to put this in and cook it 20 more minutes. Okay, they have cooked for the first 20 minutes, so I'm going to turn my potatoes over. Oh, it smells good, doesn't it, Calvin?
It smells wonderful.
Okay. I'm going to leave those there. Okay, I'm going to turn these potatoes over also. I think they need some more paprika on them.
You can sprinkle them more on.
Okay, I think I'm going to put a little bit more paprika on my sheet pan meal. Whoa. Okay, now then I'm going to put the green beans in. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the oven and cook it for 20 or 25 minutes or until my vegetables are tender. And then I'll be back. Okay, we just got our sheet pan out of the oven and it really smells great. And I checked everything, and so we did cook it a total of 45 minutes. And everything's done. The potatoes, the carrots, the green beans, the chicken came up to the right temperature when we checked it with a digital thermometer. And so I'm ready to eat, aren't you, Calvin?
I'm ready.
Okay, well, we're going to fix a supper plate and then we'll be back. Okay, we have our sheet pan meal plated up now, and it really looks good, doesn't it, Calvin? It smells great.
Yeah, it looks
And,
wonderful.
We also had enough for a meal for tomorrow, and we're not going to do the taste test today, but we're fixing to really do it off air. And we're going to really enjoy this meal, aren't we, Calvin?
We sure are.
And I think I will do the green beans and see how they taste. They are delicious. I know everything else is too. So we're going to do, okay. So we're going to close the video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.